Tired of auto renewals sneaking up on you? Today, we're tackling how to cancel your Reelshort subscription on your iPhone, putting you back in control of your finances. First, locate the Settings app on your iPhone. It's usually represented by a gray gear icon. Tap on it to open. Once you're in Settings, tap on your name at the very top of the screen. This will take you to your Apple ID settings. Next, look for the subscriptions option. It might be under payment and shipping or directly listed. Tap on subscriptions. You'll now see a list of your active and expired subscriptions. Find Reelshort in the list and tap on it. This will open the Reelshort subscription details page. Scroll down until you see the Cancel Subscription button. It's usually written in red. Tap Cancel Subscription. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you're sure you want to cancel. Confirm your cancellation by tapping the Confirm button. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Reelshort subscription. You'll typically still have access to the service until the end of your current billing cycle. Now you can breathe easy.